back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Yo, man, been a minute again. You know, I'm stopping filming just like the bullcrap for the most part until I have a good idea. What a good idea means, is it funny? That's how my brain works. What's funny, what's not funny. Boys, we got a funny video we're looking at right now. Here, let's do this. The address is all over these dang packages, man. Ice Spice chewing gum. You know that rapper, Ice Spice? Singer, I don't know. I've listened to like one song of hers. I really don't know her much. I know she's a fad right now. Anyway, she chewed some chewing gum, and I bought the gum from her mouth, bro. Now I gotta give it to someone, and I ain't trying to ship this stuff because I think that's already somewhat like maybe illegal. I don't even know. I just had a problem with border police already. I hit up cameraman Ian. I don't know if you guys remember him, and I was like, keep in mind, boys, I'm a little I'm like germ conscious, you know what I mean? A little OCD with that stuff, so I smoked a little bit before this video because it's making me a little nervous. Anyway, I hit Ian up, old cameraman, if you remember him, and I said, hey, do you think she's hot? And he said, yeah. Do you know her music? No. So I'm just probably gonna give this to Ian. I'm a little nervous about it, boys. Thumbs up, comment down below. We just bought used chewing gum from a random person online. Is pretty much what we're talking about here, with some proof, and I'll talk about that in a sec. It's a big bag for it too, man. I don't know how many gum pieces she got in her mouth at once, but alright. Alright, so we're gonna get into it real quick. No more wasting time. NameBranFam.com. Link down below, boys. 2 free pieces for the price of 1 shipping. I'm telling you that for free. So yeah, just go buy it if you'd like to. It always helps support the channel. Just doing it when I feel like it, because I still like this stuff. Anyway, Ice Spice chewing gum. Let's get into it, boys. Now, here's a story, actually. I'll give the quick story. Somebody hit me up on Instagram. This is usually how this weird scenario type of stuff works. And I guess they had seen, it was a girl, actually, which is crazy. I don't usually get too many of those in my DMs. If I do, it ain't about something good, you know? It's like, oh, I agree with what you were saying about that UFO the other day. You know what I mean? It's just like, my hopes are up. I got a wife though, so we're chill. I guess you had seen my XXX Tentacion videos where I collect a lot of things, right? I bought many autographs from him on eBay, spent a lot of money. She thought this might be a good video. She said, do you want to buy it before I put it on eBay for like $1,000 or something like that, right? And me knowing like kind of how these creeps work on the internet, I know it would probably go for $1,000 if this was literally chewed by Ice Spice. So she sent me the photos of her at the concert, at the Ice Spice concert. Apparently she got this chewing gum. We settled on 200 bucks. I was like, I'm not gonna let this chance go to hold Ice Spice chewing gum chewed. You know what I mean? And then give it to my boy as a creepy little gift. Also a goof. Hopefully I can film that. But anyway, so that's where it ended up. I spent $200 on this. And we're going to review, I guess maybe how she chewed the gum, what flavor it might be, how much saliva and, you know, bits of teeth are in there. I think that's kind of the main goal here. Boys, without further ado, let's get into it. See, this is the video. This is when I'm like, all right, I'm filming today. Right when I get something like this. Let's go, boys. Just gonna cut this open. I have tweezers here because I think we might need to dissect a few things. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. I see a Ziploc, bro. So here it is. Underwhelming. Kind of weird. But we got the chewing gum from someone who I trusted on Instagram. Now, I'm not gonna lie, a lot of you boys really effed with me, bro. The girl doing this, like, for some reason, because she was a chick and she's hitting me up and acting all sweet about it, I'm like, I don't think you're lying. You know what I mean? Like, so I think this might actually be Ice Spices. I spent too much money on. I'm just gonna give it away. Gonna need this out of my house before my girl comes home, that's for sure. Her chewing gum. What do we do? It's hard. And there's some teeth marks. So what we can do, and I need some internet detectives here, we can look at her teeth online and then see if that, okay, we're just gonna do it. I'm just gonna dump it on the counter and then pick it up. We're gonna see if her teeth online match the teeth that there's hair in it. I mean, if it, I don't like hair. I'm not a big fan of hair. It just grosses me out when I don't know where it's coming from. That makes sense if you picked it up off the stage or the ground by the stage. You saw her spit it out or something, I don't know. Bad time for a call, man. Hello?
Hey, did you see the photo I sent you?
No, I'm boxing something right now.
That's literally the only long sleeve in the whole store. Can you look at it?
Yeah, I can look. Yeah, just give me a sec. Alright, we're back. Sorry, I had to take that phone call. Yeah, it's the freaking hair for me, which is weird. Boys, what do we do with it now? So, like, do we think this is Ice Spice? Look at the teeth marks. Also on the other side. Now I'm getting nervous because I really wanted to sniff it and see what, like, type of gum, you know? We're done with here? We're doing it for comedy. Fucking focus, please. I don't know if I can do that without hurling on it. I don't ever puke, though, so I think it's grossing me out. Just go through it, bro. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't smell like... I just vaped also. I just had a little vape. So I have like mint in my nasal passages right now. It smells like... Dude, it smells like bad breath, bro. I'm not gonna lie. No, it smells rancid. Look at that. Look at that. Focus, focus. Won't focus on the gum. There we go. There we go. That is the piece right there. Should I bite it? Nah, I don't think I can. No, I don't think I should. Should I bite it? No, I shouldn't. Oh, man. I'll keep this next video. If we get like 200 thumbs up, and that's easy, boys. Like, we can easily do 200 thumbs up. I'll bite this. I swear to God, I'll put it right back in the packaging right now. I'll bite it. I don't care. I don't care. I care a little bit. I don't want to do it, but I'll do anything for likes. I mean, this is what YouTube is, right? Ice Spice chewing gum. I think we'll just... God, these are my only tweezers, too. I'm just gonna throw those down the drain. They really went down, too. Oh, that was kind of a goof. Anyway, Ice Spice chewing gum. $200. Did I get my money's worth? I think so. That was hot, bro.